Meaning of indirect object.
Indirect object.
Indirect object.
Indirect object.
Indirect object. An indirect object is a noun or pronoun that receives the direct object in a sentence, indicating the person or thing that benefits from the action described by the verb. It usually comes before the direct object and can be introduced by prepositions like to or for. For example, in the sentence, she gave John the book, John is the indirect object and the book is the direct object. The indirect object tells us who is receiving the book in this case. Understanding the concept of indirect objects is important for correctly constructing sentences and understanding their meaning.